Hello and welcome to KSG India Explainer video. The topic of this video is World Students Day 2020. Like every year, the birth anniversary of the former President of India and scientist APJ Abdul Kalam is being celebrated as the World Students Day. Kalam is best known for promoting education and his love for the students. To honor his efforts in 2010, the United Nations organization declared October 15th as the World Students Day. This year, the UNO's theme is Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. A renowned scientist, Kalam is known for his missile defense program and earned the title Missile Man of India for his role in the Pokhran-2 nuclear tests in 1998. In 2005, Kalam visited Switzerland, after which the country declared May 26 to be observed as the Science Day as a mark of respect and in the honor of his visit. The long list of awards conferred to Kalam includes the Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Vibhushan in 1990. He was later awarded Bharat Ratna for his contributions to research in the field of science. Within India and India 2020, among the many feathers in his cap is the successful testing of nuclear bombs at Pokhran. He was an author as well and his books include Wings of Fire, My Journey, Ignited Minds, Unleashing the Power Within India and India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium. The renowned scientist passed away on July 27, 2015 during delivering a lecture to the students of IIM Shillong. Kalam fell down the stage suffering a stroke and passed away almost instantly.